fam, it's Chantel here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and creamy butternut squash cashew cream sauce. It is 100% plant-based, packed with flavor and easy to make, and pairs perfectly with pasta. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: a butternut squash, some raw cashews soaked in hot water, an onion, some nutritional yeast, sage, garlic cloves, your favorite pasta, salt, and pepper. Because butternut squash is such an awkward vegetable to peel, I like to cut it in half so that it's more manageable and I could hold it better. We're just going to peel this squash, cut it into cubes, and de-seed it. To a pan over medium-high heat, I'm adding in some olive oil, and we're going to put in our chopped onions and let that saute for a few minutes. Next, I'm putting in our garlic cloves, and we're going to cook this for no more than 30 seconds to a minute because burnt garlic is disgusting and we don't want that. Next, we're going to toss in our butternut squash cubes. Put it directly in there. And then we're going to sprinkle this with some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And also some cracked black pepper. Then I'm going to give this a quick toss. And then we're going to add in some vegetable broth to the pan. I am using Better Than Bouillon vegetable base. I love this vegetable base so much because all you need to do is take about a tablespoon of this, put it in some water, and you have a perfect vegetable broth every time. So I'm just going to incorporate these together for a little bit, and we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the butternut squash has softened. While my butternut squash cooks, I'm going to make my pasta. So I am using rotini pasta, and I'm using this particular shape because of the spirals in it. It'll help the sauce hold on to the pasta better. So I'm just going to cook this to the directions on the box and make it al dente. Once the squash is cooked and tender, transfer it to a blender, liquid and all, and then we're going to add in our soaked cashews, nutritional yeast, and sage, and we're going to blend that up until it is nice and smooth and creamy. Now we're going to pour our creamy butternut squash sauce over our pasta, and we're going to stir this together until everything is incorporated. Feel free to add a splash of pasta water if you want a silkier texture, and toss everything until it is evenly coated. For plating today, I'm keeping it real simple. So we're going to get our noodles right into the center of our pasta bowl. And we're going to garnish it with some fresh cracked black pepper. You could also garnish it with some fresh sage, or you could use some additional nutritional yeast to give it that extra cheesy, creamy flavor. And there you have it, my butternut squash cashew cream sauce. And there you have it, foodie fam. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more recipes like this one. And remember, healthy does not mean boring. See you next time.